You didn't wake up sore, just stuck. Your body feels like it's moving through fog, and your mind already a few steps ahead. Let's pause, move slow, breathe deep. If your legs feel heavy and your hips tight, this stretch brings back movement and breath. Start standing with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward and grab your ankles or toes. Drop into a deep squat, then slowly straightening your legs to lift your hips. Repeat this flow gently, syncing movement with breath. I promise this move is how you unlock dynamic range and energy in your lower body. If reaching your feet is tough, hold your shins instead. Same benefits, less strain. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Now that your legs are waking up, let's rotate from the ground up. When your posture is closed off for too long, this helps you open from the inside out. From a deep squat, place your right hand on the floor or around your ankle. Lift your left arm toward the sky, opening your chest into a T shape. Let your eyes follow your hand if it feels natural. I promise this move is how you unlock spinal rotation and centered breath. Struggling with balance? Widen your feet or rest your heels on a block. This move is how you unlock upper body mobility and focus. Use your elbow on your knee to guide the twist deeper if it feels safe. Hold for 5 more seconds and breathe into your ribs. Next one strengthens and lengthens at the same time. Now that your spine is mobile, let's lift one leg at a time and fire things up. This one builds control while giving you space to breathe and move freely. From downward dog, lift your right leg toward the sky. Keep your hips square or open slightly if that feels good. Hold, reach, breathe, then lower gently. I promise this move is how you unlock strength and length through your entire backside. Bend the lifted knee if your hamstrings feel too tight. Let's make this one your strongest, smoothest lift yet. Switch legs. Same breath, same strength. Your second side matters just as much. This is about balance, not perfection. Press your hands into the mat and float your left leg up. Stretch through your heel and breathe into any tightness. I promise this move is how you unlock alignment and power in motion. Take a small bend in your standing leg if needed. Keep it kind. You've come this far, stay with me. Now that the big joints are open, let's give attention to the small ones. The little joints you ignore carry more stress than you think. This clears it. Circle your wrists and ankles in one direction, then switch sides after 30 seconds. Point, flex, rotate. Move with intention. No rush. I promise this move is how you unlock flow in the places tension hides. Support yourself on a wall if balance feels off. Mobilizing your wrists helps release upper back tension too. Let's close this flow with calm, clarity, and control. Your neck holds all the words you didn't say yesterday. This helps you let go. Sit tall or stand. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Pause, return to center, then switch sides. Let the stretch melt downward. I promise this move is how you unlock calm where you carry invisible weight. For more depth, reach your opposite hand toward the floor. Let's make this last one your most relaxed moment yet. Come back to center and breathe it all in.